Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we are doing something that I use a lot, is my phone for taking pictures. So when I saw this, I thought actually it might make the process a little bit easier, give you a better grip of the phone. So I bought it. And today we're going to try it out with the Poco. I've still got the Poco, I think it's, what's this, C71? Yeah, I haven't sold it. I was going to sell it. I haven't. I've still got it. So we're going to use that today. So what do we get in the box? You get a USB-C, USB-A to USB-C cable, the device itself. You also get instructions, and that is it. That is all you get. But let's have a look at the actual device itself. It feels pretty good. It feels, yeah. It's kind of, it is hard plastic, if you can, but it has got a texture on it, so it's quite grippy. So how does this work? Well, if you've got a phone that is, or a case that's MagSafe compatible, this will just clip straight onto that. If you haven't, as you can see, magnet at the back. Okay, but if you haven't got one of those, which I haven't, cheap Poco phone, it comes with this metal ring that you can stick on to the back of your phone. So we're going to do that in a minute. But so this comes with a built-in battery of, I think it's 750 milliamp hours. Because if you take this off, he says, you've got a mirror. Yeah, so you've got a mirror on the back, so if you're taking selfies, you can see yourself. You see how pretty you are. But it also comes with an adjustable light. You turn this, you can dim it, and it changes to the whether like warm white to bright white. So there you go, it's quite adjustable. That is actually pretty cool. So you can see, like if I turn it right the way down, and then if I turn it right the way up, you can see the difference it makes to my face. Highlights even more my wrinkles. And then if we keep turning it, it changes onto warm white. And again, brighter. So that's actually pretty cool. Now it also comes with the bottom here, a tripod mount. So you could actually mount this on a tripod. Not really sure why, because the idea of this is surely it's much easier to take photos. It's much easier to, you're holding your phone like you would a camera, which is easier. Your finger, you're not trying to touch a screen. You're actually on a button. Now you pair this with your phone, and there is another little benefit to this. Boop. You can take the pictures remotely with this. So if you wanted to get, you know, a steady shot in lower light and the camera just needed a little bit more time and you didn't want to jog it, you can put it down and use this. Or if you wanted to get yourself further back, again, you can use this. You pair it to your phone and that clips on there magnetically. So that's pretty, yeah, that's pretty cool. We'll leave it on there for a minute. Right, so if we put it on that first, we can get a rough idea of where we want it. So, gonna want it. So we want it, I'd say, about there. So, it is a very good magnet as well. Very good magnet. Okay. Right, so let's stick this on. I'd say about there. So you just stick that on the back of your phone. As I say, if you've got a phone with a magnet built in, you don't need to, or the metal built in. I think the magnet is in here. Let's just test that. Yeah, the magnet is in there. And as you can see, it's a strong magnet. So if you're worried that your phone's gonna drop, It shouldn't. It really shouldn't. I'm not saying it won't, but it shouldn't. This is a pretty good magnet. So then, you pop that on your phone, and as you can see, I'm now holding it via that. So to take pictures, you're now holding it so much more comfortably. And the advantage of this is, you can angle it at any point you want. So if you are taking selfies, you can hold it that way. And you're taking pictures this way, it's a lot easier to hold, and it's a lot more comfortable to take pictures. So if you're at an event, at a concert or something, and you're holding your phone for a long period of time, it's more comfortable holding that, because it's more of a grip than it is holding the phone up, I find anyway. And you can hold it anyhow how you want. So let's see, actually, let's pair it up. So how do we turn it on? Do we hold that in? Yes, we do. Okay, so as you can see, I've now paired the button. So when I press the button in, take the photo. No delay, no issue. And as I say, if you put the phone down, you're not jogging the phone. And if you want to get a picture of yourself further back, you can. You can go further back and use the remote. And then to turn it off, I'm guessing to turn it off, you hold the shutter button in again. No, we're flashing. Now we're off. Okay, so yeah, to turn it on and off, you hold that button in. To take the pictures, hold that button. Pretty straightforward. Build quality of this is actually, it's pretty good, man. It is pretty good. I don't know who makes this, and it just says cell phone selfie light. Which I think is misleading, because it's not just a light, is it? It's a grip as well, and you know, it's more than just a selfie light. But anyway, that's what it says it is. It's a cell phone selfie light. If you're someone like me who takes a lot of pictures with their phone, that is so much nicer to hold, especially that in that way, because it's more like holding a camera. So yeah, I actually really like this. Simple but effective. So yeah, if you're looking for gift ideas, as I say, we all use our phones. We all use cameras on our phones, or most of us. Might be a good little stocking filler, this one. Yeah, works well. So what do you think of this little cell phone selfie light? I prefer, well, I don't know what I'd call it. Phone grip with a light. I actually think it's pretty good. I mean, it does exactly what it says it does, what it's meant to do. It feels pretty good. It's comfortable. Having that light, especially if you're taking selfies in darker conditions, nighttime and that, it will make a difference. It will highlight your beautiful features. Yeah, this is on my keep list, you know. Some things I buy just to try and then sell. This, that's going in my little pile of, well, my pile's getting bigger and bigger. Stuff that I keep, stuff that I'm keeping. That is now mine. But yeah, I think this would come in handy for a multitude of people that like using their phone as a camera. So what do you guys think? Is this something you would actually use, or something you know somebody that would make use of it and appreciate it? Or is it something you just think it's just literally something else to carry around with you when you don't actually need it? Waste of time, you know, not for you. Let me know in the comments. If you've got any suggestions for other phone accessories that I should check out, then please put that in the comments, and I will do my best to check those out in the future. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see all future content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But that does it for this video. I am going to get out of here, and I'm going to record another video. That's what I'm going to do. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope to see you all again very, very soon in the next one. But for now, bye guys.